We're back at it again with face paint stuff for the February 2019 Ipsy unbagging boxing thing. Cause why not? It's a cute bag so far for the month of February. It's a bunch of kisses for Valentine's Day. And since this didn't fit in the bag, it just came in the package. This is the Farah powder brush. And it's very pink. It's very soft. I don't know what I'll use it for though, because I have so many freaking brushes. And there's that. And then next is the Cella eyeliner in purple. I got purple eyeliner. So that'll be interesting to try. And then we have the Elemis Superfood Facial Wash. It's advanced skincare. That's something. I need more face cleansing stuff. Face care stuff. That's why I need makeup. Or expensive face paint. And then we have the Glam Glow. Okay, I can play. The Glam Glow Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. So apparently, I guess it would make me shiny while hydrating my skin. This doesn't seem like enough though. It's half the size of the Elemis stuff. And the last thing is the Meech and Mia something eyeshadow in caramel. So that'll be pretty, I think. So that's the February 2019 Ipsy makeup stuff. I'll be sure to use all this and look forward to the next month. Yeah. So, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the channel. And bye.